Split decision, it's the name of this drill. On the 12K gun, we're going to go to multiplayer mode during this drill of split decision. This will be able to tell each player's shots and separate them one from the other. This is so important and so vital as we chart week by week each player's stats, their percentages, makes, misses, a vital piece, along with being able to get the drill information that we want to our guys. This is a great drill, you and a partner, as you work heading into a scout of a game. Certain actions that you know you're going to see based on what the defense does. You'll see all of the actions that we do with this. This is a great partner drill where you can work on ball screens, you can work on slips, there's handoffs, there's a variety of different things that happen in this. This is a partner drill called split decision.